Where are you? We're in Jamaica. Where are you?
Yo, Kingston, yo, Jamaica, sipping on the natural healing vibes. This a Rockfort Mineral Bath. Feel the good on your body. Rockfort Mineral Bath. Heal up my skin and me heart.
Welcome to Rockfort Mineral Bath. I hope you enjoy your stay and come back again.
Jamaican treasure wellness on the chart. Rockfort Mineral Bath. Heal up my skin and me heart. Natural springs so pure from the start. Wash where the stress, take the pain depart. Jamaican treasure wellness on the charts. Mineral that full of calcium, magnesium, sulphur for the joint and rheumatism. The healing energy run through my system. But in the pool, my body feel upliftment. Good for the pressure, circulation improve. Arthritis is up when the mineral move. Detox my skin, make it shine, make it smooth. Rockfort at the fountain where the whole town approve. Rockfort Mineral Bath. Heal up the skin and me heart. Heal up the skin, heal up the heart. Just spring so pure from the start. Water so pure, fresh from the heart. Come Kingston, other side, history the near. Old fortress still stand up to remind me here. 9 towns, 7 earthquakes, still can't tear. But the water still flow for the people to share. Family vibes, come relax, come chill. Tourists and locals get the natural chill. Affordable wellness, no doctor bill. Rockfort Mineral Bath are the real Jamaica still.